Hello everyone, my name is Amit and today I will show you how you can apply IP filter for your Google Analytics account so that you can filter out your traffic. To start with, first go to your setting option, click on settings. In next window, you have to just select the website for which you want to apply the IP filter and go to the last option, that is just scroll down. You will see this filter option, just select that. Now select add filters. Now here you have to give your filter a name, so I will give my IP. Select predefined. Below that, exclude option, then traffic from the that are equal to. Now you need to check for your IP. For that you have to open a new window and check for my IP address. So this is your IP address. Just copy this IP address and paste it here. Now just save this one. And your IP filter is applied. As you can see here, this is the IP filter which I have recently applied. Anytime you can come and edit it. So it will take some time to filter out your traffic and you will start seeing the results in your traffic. You may see some dip in your traffic also, which you can explain due to the IP filter applied. So this will filter out all the traffic coming from my own IP address. In this overview section, you can check out the IP filter traffic after some time. So thank you for watching this video guys. Do subscribe to my channel for such videos on digital marketing.